So we got a call for a delivery truck that is stuck in a driveway over here in Tokerville. We just got finished up putting a new fan clutch on blue steel.
So you might be wondering why they're still using my truck for recoveries, even though blue steel's been back for like 2 weeks. You're about to find out why.
Okay, so Robbie Layton did an enormous amount of work on blue steel. He was just supposed to put a flatbed on it, but he pulled dents, straightened, repainted. He was gonna do this. This looks so good. Thanks, Robbie. This should answer the question to a lot of you why we haven't been using blue steel to pull loads. This is a fan clutch, and blue steel has a bad fan clutch. We're gonna put a good one in.
Blue steel's over 200,000 miles.
It's just short of 200.
Look at that mess. It's somewhere under there that it's gotta go.
Yeah, it's not gonna be fun. Okay, we're gonna get all the stuff off of here that's completely and thoroughly in the way, and then proceed with the installation. Now, I strongly recommend you do not do this to your blue steel. So there it is. We're going in the scrap metal to be recycled. That's as good as it was. So not only are we taking it out for its test drive, but we're also taking it out for its first solo recovery since we got it back from Robbie. Oh man, it's good to be back in the saddle of blue steel. Also, so we're kind of multitasking. Like, we worked on blue steel, we're gonna go do a job, we're impressed with Robbie's work, all that stuff. Also, it's lunchtime, so everybody's getting a late lunch today. Got Greg here with the weather.
Yeah, the weather's about 80 degrees right now, sunny. It's just a beautiful day.
We got Colin back there.
Hey guys, how you doing?
And Colby.
You know what's funny? I like this truck better than Hefe's truck. I'm glad it's back.
Heavens to Betsy. How's it going? Okay, it's just not moving at all backwards. You want to get your nose here and get straightened out. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And then we can pull you back? Okay. I need that flipped over. Okay, Hefe, I'm gonna get in position, and then I just need you to rig up to this with your rope. Yep.
Okay. This is awesome.
It's a pretty steep hill.
This won't be the first time that we've saved a truck on a steep hill like this. This is a lot easier though. I'll take pea gravel over the ice that we were on last time.
At least this isn't sand.
Oh yeah.
So what's this right now? If you pull forward, are you just too far that way with your trailer right now?
Yeah, the wheels will hit that.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's just try this first little thing, just real nice and gentle pulling back. So we're gonna be testing out the Flog bumper here. I'm really excited to do that, the bumper and winch plate. Flog's awesome. They got all kinds of bumpers for all kinds of trucks and skid plates and just different things, side-by-sides, off-road vehicles. If you go to Flog right now and order something, you can get 10% off at checkout using the promo code MORR. There'll be a link in the description.
You go right to axle on this, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna go right around here. I think we'll get a nice straight pull here. Go ahead and pull this one out.
Not like
Okay, I'll run this in. Do you want to just go make sure that that's all laying right under there?
a good sign.
Whew! That'll work out.
Is this what you signed up for?
Nope. Pretty
I
dead.
bet if you hook the winch up to it, it'll pull it right over.
It's moving. Here it goes.
Wow. Everybody
got
look
Gord.
out.
Hands up. Go ahead. Woo! Nice. Whoa. Get it started.
Get started and take your parking brake off.
Okay, parking brake is off.
All right, I'm going to start putting some pressure on this.
Oh, he's pulling you back, huh? Oh, hang on.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Were they rolling at all? It's almost like these trailer brakes are on.
Go ahead and go.
Okay, stop.
The locker's on now.
Okay, so we'll have.
He didn't have a locker on now, but go ahead and try
I
now.
don't know if we're going to climb out of this hole.
We need to get a shovel, I think, and level that off. He's got some these big rubber mats, and it gets tucked right into that tire right there.
Is he locking this axle in?
Yeah, that's what it was. That
Okay, it should move now. Holy cow, I don't understand not pulling out all the stops. Lockers, extra axle engaged. I think the first pull was done with the trailer brakes left on. All right, we're gonna give it another try. I'm starting to pull right now.
That rear one's not spinning.
Okay, stop. That ain't gonna work.
Are you just pulling the truck down?
Yeah, so he's got no weight on those axles.
Well, the rear's not even spinning.
I can't fix that. Okay, so I need him to turn
So
his.
your rear axle's not spinning, your rear lock.
Have him turn slightly to the left. Okay, I'm gonna let some pressure off and we're gonna pull forward about 10 inches.
We can put it right in there and give him get box. Whatever you guys think back.
Have
You
you
do
got
need
the
to-
suspension settled down?
Pull that back over that hole.
Okay. Is there a reason for that? Well, this front axle's just hanging in the air. So put some air in them and let's see if that equalizes them out a little bit. All right, gently put it in reverse.
It's gonna be moving. Watch out, Gordon.
All right, stop. The back axle did engage.
He's sliding further that way.
Yeah, look, just since we've been here, he's gone a couple inches. Do you think if we got you up on pavement, that would be better?
Yeah, I could go all the way on that other side.
Okay, because it's just dragging us down right now. Come forward. Okay, put some pressure on it.
Stay hydrated, guys. Man, that is good.
We need the wrecker here. We get parked right up there.
Yeah, that's what I keep having in my mind, but there's no shoulder there.
No, we'd have to block traffic.
Yeah.
everything. This is gonna work.
We had plenty of power. We were just dragging ourselves off the hills.
Okay, he just needs to ease in his lowest gear down there. Holy crap.
Keep coming.
He says that's his lowest gear.
That's pretty high. Slide out that trailer.
So I think we should turn around and try to pull him back out. And what we'll do is we'll pull him. Let me go look
Down
at
that hill?
Here, while you're putting this up.
Okay.
I'm gonna go look at this. Ah, that worked. All we needed was a little traction. Okay, Jake, back it up. How's it going?
You guys want to get that semi down in my pasture and turn around? Oh, there's plenty of room and it's rock hard.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's rock hard out there.
Back up.
I don't think it's any work. It would help to have him frontwards. I still think he's gonna need to be pulled up.
Grab the jumper cables out of the back of mine.
But I don't think this hill's any worse.
Well, I told him to go jump the car, so.
That's all you got. You got it. That's all you needed. I don't like big trucks like that in tight spaces like this.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be You said he was good.
Right at the end, he wasn't.
Whoa!
Keep going, keep going.
Ah.
So that it rocks over.
Well, he's not going to hurt the roof any more than it is. I'm just worried about putting a hole in his trailer.
Yeah.
I'm okay with the damage to the roof.
Just handle on one wheel, huh?
Yeah.
A couple more small ones
that's
if you need.
perfect.
Oops.
Okay. Nice gentle roll. This thing needs a lower gear. This thing's flying.
Send it. Yeah.
Check. Clear.
So this is the biggest one you've been on.
Oh, by far. Not even close. Like that Hershey's truck was just a box truck. Okay, now bring him in.
Straight up here. Okay, that did it.
It's okay. Okay, grab blue steel. Out of the frying pan, into the fire.
We gotta hook both rigs up and pull him out of here.
I have an appointment right now.
Oh no. Is it a very important appointment?
VA.
Okay, we gotta be super steady. Okay, Hefe, just ease forward. Let's take the slack out of everything. Hang on a second. All right, Hefe.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, no, you're disconnected. Go, 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 go.
Holy smoke.
Okay, we definitely brought the wrong equipment to do that job, but we did it anyway, just like we always do. This time, we used our Flog bumper, Flog winch plate, and we did a little bit of flogging of blue steel. We got her done. I just want to be clear, that is not the correct way to do that, but that's what we did.
So we got a call. My dad sent me and Colby and Jake on a job. We're gonna go get a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. It's got a dead battery, so we're gonna go help him out. We called the Apple Valley Chevron in advance to go get some lunch. We're pretty hungry, so.
Cheeseburgers.
I'm only here for the food.
I'm here to hang out with the boys. These are the tools we're bringing today. I think that might make life interesting, but I think we can work with it. Burgers.
Thank you, good sir.
Yes.
Burgers.
We're here to pick up an order for Matt.
Okay.
Sweet.
Oh man.
Thank you.
Holy smokes. Thanks guys.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Hands down. Matt, thank you. Look at that. That's a unit. I need a nap.
So we just crossed the border into Arizona. Colby has his map pulled up. We're about 30 minutes away from the pin. Our turn should be coming up soon. So we're out here in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing. It could almost put you to sleep. Jake.
So the last time I came out here was with Tom, and that's when we had to weld up that trailer and we forgot the gas. So Rudy had to come save us. We were out here somewhere. I think we were actually a few miles back, yeah. That was a fun day. All right, so we see the customer right there.
Tried to clean it off, didn't even get a click. Although when I connected the terminals again, I definitely got some flashing lights.
Stuff, okay.
You know.
Just like that. Yeah. Perfect, we got it done. So we have the customer following us out. It's just a battery, super easy, super simple. So we made it back to pavement. We're all safe and sound. Customer's gonna go pick up a battery, so he's got a reliable truck again. Thanks for watching.
I got clocked right in the head.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.